Hello, everybody. Chef Stephanie Rose, Simple Cooking with Heart Kitchen, executive chef, here with you in my home. Welcome to my home. I love having you all here, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about marinades. Sounds so sexy. I love marinades, and I think everybody loves marinades, but I think we have a tendency of kind of always going to the same one. So I just wanted to give you an idea of where you can go in the world of marinades. First of all, I have been craving some scallops, and I found a wonderful recipe of ours. Miso marinated scallops with fresh ginger, fresh garlic, a little bit of mirin. I have all the ingredients over here. Some sherry wine. Always nice to have in a marinade, a little bit of alcohol, rice wine vinegar, and at the end, I'm going to do a little bit of a drizzle of sesame oil. But do keep in mind when you're using fresh ginger, it does break down the protein in whatever protein you're using. So if you marinate it too long in the shrimp or chicken or scallops, you'll have mush and you will be very upset because they're expensive. Now, if you want to go to Tuscany, you're feeling a little Mediterranean, wonderful rosemary, which is from my garden. Gotta love it. It's delicious. Rosemary mixed with some lemon zest, some chili flakes. Why not? Gotta have those. Those are in quite a few of the marinades too. And of course, more garlic. Now, if you want to skip a little bit further away and go to India, you could use yogurt. Now, I absolutely love what yogurt does to meat, to lamb, to chicken. I mean, whatever you don't even have to do anything else. Just put it in yogurt. But if you wanted to make it more Indian-y, some garam masala, and of course, garlic. And then another one with a whole bunch of stuff in it, I guess is more French for a nice hearty red meat. A little bit of red wine. Really always almost need an acid. Red wine, parsley, bay leaves. Cut those up, chop those up. Red pepper flakes, more garlic, and then marinate some nice steak in there and put that on the grill. I know you're going to love it. Just keep in mind, whatever wine you use, make sure it's a nice one that you like to drink. Yum. Cheers. Enjoy marinating. I'll see you later. Thank you so much. Bye.